really over the long term and also the medium term, if fundamentals are strong, REIT share prices generally bounce back from a pullback on a rate increase and tend to outperform.
Joining me today is Leupp, Managing Partner at Terra Firma Asset Management. How would you describe REIT market conditions in the middle of 2022?
Well, I think that fundamentals over on the REIT industry are very strong, and with the backdrop that we have a lot of both global and U.S. uncertainty, mostly at the macro level, whether it's energy costs, world unrest, political unrest, unforeseen news events, and of course rising interest rates, high inflation, high energy costs.
Can you talk a little bit about the impact of interest rates on the market right now?
Now, historically, there have been a lot of fears on the part of REIT investors, mostly I think unwarranted, that relate to interest rates, that they believe that rates rise, REITs go down. Really over the long term and also the medium term, if fundamentals are strong, REIT share prices generally bounce back from a pullback on a rate increase and tend to outperform. And so I think that early uncertainty, since we're in the early phase of Fed rate hikes, there is some concern and it's caused a little bit of a pullback in share prices that we've seen over the last 6 to 8 weeks, that I think eventually those rate increases are going to be priced in. And I think that investors will turn away from focusing on what the Fed is going to do and what rates are going to do and start to pay more attention to what are earnings going to do and what are the fundamentals behind faster growing earnings and outperforming sectors.
How much of a factor is ESG becoming in investment decisions?
ESG is a very important part of our investment process. It has been since its inception. We've come a long way in the REIT space. I think many of our leading REITs have taken leadership positions and initiatives in the ESG arena, and that's important. We still have more work to do, but our belief is that the companies that have the highest standards of ESG have the highest quality management teams and oftentimes tend to be the best investments.